For years, the story of electric cars has been written by one brand. But with this, the first SUV on its revolutionary NUYA CLASA platform, BMW isn't just catching up. It's trying to reset the entire game. Welcome back to AutoVision. This is our best look at the new iX3, and it comes with huge promises. Competitive range, groundbreaking charging, and a complete reinvention of the brand. So, is this the future? Or just clever marketing? The promise of NUYA CLASA. NUYA CLASA isn't just a new platform. It's a radical redesign of how BMW builds electric cars. It will underpin a whole new generation of vehicles, starting with a sedan and followed by this SUV. The core pillars are a new 800-volt electrical system for fast charging, new cylindrical battery cells for more range, and powerful new software to transform the driving experience. A new design language. The design is a major departure, defined by clean, minimalist lines and a new take on the iconic kidney grille. That grille is now a vertical, illuminated panel that integrates lighting graphics, a futuristic nod to the brand's heritage. It's less about aggressive creases and more about purposeful, efficient surfacing, marking a confident new direction for BMW. The digital heart. Inside, the revolution continues. The cabin leans on sustainable materials, but the focal point is the new iDrive interface. Instead of just more screens, BMW has introduced panoramic vision, which projects key information across the lower width of the windshield. This keeps your eyes on the road, while a large central display handles maps and media. It's a bold move that BMW argues is safer and more engaging. The ultimate electric driving machine? The first version confirmed for the US is a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup called the iX3 50 xDrive. All the vehicle's dynamics are managed by a new centralized computer nicknamed the Heart of Joy, which integrates the powertrain, braking, and stability control. BMW promises this will deliver an unmatched level of precision and responsiveness. The 800-volt advantage. This is where the NUYA CLASA platform aims to set a new benchmark. BMW is targeting a 30% range increase, with an early estimate for the iX3 50 xDrive suggesting up to 434 miles. Thanks to its 800-volt architecture, charging is 30% faster, potentially adding significant range in just 10 minutes. Future models will also get the NACS port for access to Tesla's supercharger network. A statement of intent. On paper, the case is incredibly strong. It's positioned with a projected starting price in the low $60,000, making it highly competitive against the Audi Q6 e-tron, Porsche Macan Electric, and Tesla Model Y. Its combination of range, charging speed, and interactive tech is a monumental leap forward. This vehicle isn't just an evolution, it's a powerful statement of intent.